Kyle!
What?
Look!
What is it?
It's another hacker! No. What do I do? He's pointing it!
Back up!
Go!
I'll check your rear.
Okay.
Oh, Davey, stop! There's another hacker back here. It's an ambush!
Get down, it's an ambush!
Okay guys, welcome back to the Davey train. This is crazy.
Gosh, you guys! We are totally pinned down. There's a hacker right outside the bus. I think we're in the middle of an ambush or something. He's right there. We don't know what to do.
This is crazy. What should we do?
We are totally freaking out. If you saw our last episode, we got in this crazy thing out. Oh no.
He's jiggling! He's jiggling!
Go! What do we do?
Go.
We gotta go! We gotta drive!
They're closing in! They're everywhere! There's tons of them! Go, Davey! Go!
Get down! Get down! Hide!
everywhere.
Hide! There's an ambush! Get down!
Go!
Kyle is getting in! He is getting in the bus!
What? Davey, drive! There's like
What should I
50
do?
hackers closing in! They're all around us! Drive!
Okay, I'm going! I'm
Oh, crap, he's on the bus.
He's on the bus! He got a Nerf gun! He has got a Nerf gun!
What? I'm gonna stay low. Drive!
Kyle, I'm freaking out right now. Oh, he's firing on us right now. Oh, Kyle, you gotta cover me. You gotta cover me.
I will.
right
You
now.
drive, I'll shoot him.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Shoot!
Kyle, you gotta get him. Kyle, fire on him. Do not hold back.
He hit me in my arm! I hit him in his face!
Aim for the eyeball, Kyle.
He hit me! I'm hit! I hit him! I got him! Keep driving! My arm! That was my trigger finger!
Kyle, do you know how to use that thing?
It keeps jamming on me! Jam it!
Did he just hit you in the face?
Yes,
Go
face
for
shot!
his face.
Davey, give this to me. You keep driving. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I got hit right in my forehead. Super painful. I gotta get this guy taken care of.
What should we
Davey,
do? I
you
think he's
keep driving.
reloading. What should we do? I think you should go after him right now. Shoot him. Kyle, get him.
Go! I'm pinning down! I'm getting him! Oh! I got hit again! This gun is a piece of crap!
Kyle, take this gun. Take the X shot.
Okay. I'm going in! Davey, tell my wife and kids I love them.
Get him.
Yeah! Dude! Ah! Dude!
Retreat.
That was amazing! Oh my gosh, he's getting up! He's getting up! Davey, stop the bus!
Why?
He's getting up! I better go up there!
He's going up. He's going up.
Oh, it's on! It is on!
You guys, I'm totally freaking out right now. I'm getting off the bus. Look at this. They've got a full-on battle going on top of the bus. Kyle, get him. Kyle, shoot him. Get down, get down. Oh man, what just happened?
Drive, Davey.
Reload.
I'll reload. Davey, I'm all reloaded. Let's go. You keep going. We gotta make distance between us and the other hackers.
Here we go.
He's still back there. Davey, did they hack the engine?
Oh, I thought they did, but it's actually moving now. Come on, get
Still
it.
firing. He's still firing.
Oh.
What's he saying? He's saying something. What is it? Oh, he pointed up. He wants to take this up on the roof again. Okay,
Good
let's
luck,
do
Kyle.
it.
Go get it.
Davey, drive steady, okay?
Hey, I got it.
Guys, this is crazy! Look at him, he's right there. I gotta cock this gun. I think I got him. Cock the gun again. I got him again! The hardest part about this is cocking the gun and firing. Whoa! He almost got me. Guys, I'm so glad I've been wearing these sunglasses. He hit me in the face like 20 times. I would have lost an eye by now. Oh yeah, I got him. Yeah, I got him! Woo! Oh, what's he doing here? Ow! He hit my hand. Okay.
You gotta get my back! I'm totally freaking out up here!
I got tons of bullets. You hold this. I'm gonna move in on it.
Kyle. Move in! Kyle, please be careful!
Come on, mother! Whoa! He's reloaded and my gun is jammed! Keep driving! Whoa, Davey! I think he's trying to shoot Davey. I don't have any more bullets left.
Kyle, help!
Oh, no! Davey, you're never gonna believe what just
What
happened.
just happened? You just saved my life?
Yeah, that was headed right for your brain!
That could have been a bad round, Kyle.
Okay, he's reloading right now. Guys, what should we do? My gun is jammed. He seems to have like endless ammo back there.
Kyle, listen. I have an idea.
Okay.
He's reloading right now. I'm gonna pull over. Okay, listen. Distract him, make a lot of noise. You're gonna act like you're surrendering. I think there's a bigger weapon back there. I'm gonna go for it. Somehow, I don't know if I'm gonna use these emergency exits or something, but I'm gonna go for it, okay?
Davey, you're gonna do awesome.
Your job right now is distraction.
I have a feeling I'm gonna get a couple more welts on my face, but it'll be worth it to
Take one
take
for the
down
team.
this hacker. Ready? You take the camera.
Ready, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Davey, where are you going? Are you just bailing on me? Look at this. He's bailing on me. Look, my gun is jammed. I give up.
Here we go.
Davey's gone. He just left.
Here's right there, okay, listen.
Okay, just stop. Stop, okay, just stop. So hold it right there. Hold it right
There's
there.
his gun, there's his gun.
He's gone. He dipped out on me. I don't have, anyone to fight with. Is it me rapper or is it Davey rapper?
Okay, here we go, guys. I'm going up. Okay, guys, I can see the hacker right now. I've got a clean shot.
Okay, my name's Kyle. We need to talk this through. Where's Davey? He just ditched out on me. Is it not him who you're after? Isn't it Davey who you're after? I mean, come on. Come on. Wait! No!
Yeah, I got him. He's down.
Yes!
Kyle.
Woo! He's down for the count. Oh my gosh. Get down here, Davey. Get down.
This is a Nerf gun. It's not gonna knock him out for long.
I've got him covered. I got you covered.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? He's down. Look at this. Hey, I have an idea. Let's get a tracking device. Put it on his phone. Let's get him out of here. Let's get out of here.
Remember Michelle? She gave us that tracking device.
Yes.
It's in our hack pack in case we ever needed it. Let's grab it.
Let me get his phone.
Dave, you got the tracking
Yes,
device?
I've got it right here. Let's go.
Awesome.
Okay, what do I do? Where?
Find his phone. Find his phone.
I've got it. I've got it. Make sure. Keep this handy. I got it. Okay.
Right, I'll cover.
Do I just put it anywhere on his phone?
Wait. I think I saw movement. No, he's out.
Okay, does it matter where it is? Do I just put it in the case somewhere?
I don't think it matters where it goes. Just put it inside the case. It's gonna be tricky because that's a transparent case. It's in.
It's in. Okay, we have to hope that he doesn't notice this, but now we're gonna be able to track his every move. Now we're gonna be one step ahead of the hackers every step of the way. Tables have turned, baby. Yeah, I think I can carry him. I'm gonna put him out there on the sidewalk and let's get out of here. Okay?
I'll cover you.
Okay, here we go. Cover me. Do you know how to use that thing?
I'm fumbling with it. Okay, go.
Here we go.
Careful, baby. Careful.
Okay, I got him. Oh, this hacker
Is he
eats
heavy?
a lot. Yes.
Daddy?
Oh, I got his phone right here. I'm gonna put him over here in the sunshine. Is he awake?
No, he's so out.
Okay. Lay him down. Okay, nice and easy. Don't want any trouble. Come on, let's go.
This is crazy. Get on.
Every one step ahead of him. Hold on, the back door.
He's starting to wake up, Davey. Look. He's starting to wake up. He's totally out of it, but he's starting to wake up.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Davey, go! He's awake! Look! He's awake, dude! Go, Davey! Go!
We got it! Yeah! This is amazing!
Yeah! You get out of here! Woo! Okay. Okay, let's get to a safe place, Davey.
Okay, let's go. Kyle, that was the craziest thing I've ever done.